What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? We have unboxing. Stay tuned, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Stay tuned.
Come ride with Chevy Addict. Let's beat the block down. Like, comment, subscribe, and most of all, hype.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy addict. Yeah, man. Do what you love, and love what you do. If it's more than a habit, be a Chevy addict. Ain't it, man? Chevys get ready. 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 Chevys get ready.
I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit. I'm a Chevy addict.
It's a Chevy thing. Rolling in my Tahoe on 28s. I gotta be great, making the earthquake and windows shake. 418s make it scream, or I can come real cool and slide through in the cutlass old school on 24s. You know what I mean, man? It's a Chevy thing.
Do what you love.
Alright, YouTube, I'm back. Alright. That's a small little unboxing to do today. This right here and this here. I'm gonna show you what I picked up for the bill once again. I got these nice 8-gauge wide ferrules and 4-gauge wide ferrules. And let's see what this is here, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this started, unboxing. And some for the bill, y'all. Some more for the bill. But other than that, hope y'all enjoying y'all day, man. It's nice and warm outside today. But we technically in the last days of the winter. You know what I mean? We might be wearing shorts, but still get cold during the night. Y'all know that. But daylight saving time changed on Sunday, so the 8th of the month, that's Sunday. So yeah, boy, and that, y'all, let's go ahead and get this out the way. See what I got for the bill now. So, man, it's one of the last packages, big packages. Well, the last one could be the end of this month, could be the last month. So I'm gonna show y'all right here. Also, before I get started unboxing it, y'all see my 8-gauge for my wire. So yeah, the box, the subs is wired up inside the box. I ain't want to just throw all the boxes away. I had to put them in, so I wired them up and left them inside the box. All right, y'all, this right here. I'm going to unbox this to show you what I picked up. All right, y'all, here we go. One of these. Y'all know where it is. The boy try to get louder. Here we go. The boy trying to get super loud. go. Yes, sir. Here we go. I can mount down. It's rotational. I can mount down right here. I'm putting one on my front bumper. I might put both on my front bumper. Or one in the back, one in the front. You never know. This is the mega horn right here. So, gotta getting a lot of smaller stuff in, y'all. So, a lot of stuff came with some instruction manuals too as well. So, the instruction manual is right here. Like a welcome, thank you card and instruction manual right here. I'm not gonna worry about that. So, you can go to red and black wire. Other than that, we hooked up in the truck. That's one. The second one is right here. I'm gonna take them out the pack though, throw these boxes away. No, I'm leaving the box. So, good God, it's thick. I'm gonna raise me that door. All right, y'all. Here we go. Next one, same thing inside the box, structure paperwork. Right here is the PA horn. So that's it for this unboxing, y'all. But I'm telling y'all, to continue real soon, y'all. To continue real soon. Salute to y'all. YouTube, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. I hope y'all see what I'm trying to do. You know what I mean? It's not nothing to throw somebody in somebody's face or tell somebody that I could do what I gotta do. I'm just telling y'all this here. My video, my bill, my way. Y'all might say a lot of stuff I got is kind of crazy, but it's my bill, my way. I want my truck to be super loud, man. And I'm telling you this here. Once I get it done, I will do a demo, how they call it, on copyrighted free music. I'm gonna show you how my stuff sound. And I guarantee you, I'm gonna do a walk around. And I guarantee you, I'm gonna have the right set of missing highs kicking in and the right side of everything just going ham, y'all. Just get ready. Y'all see me, what I did yesterday, remove the carpet out the truck. So just stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned, stay locked into the channel. That truck there, about to get loud, y'all. Salute to y'all. Be safe, y'all.
I am Chevy Addict. I want to thank everyone for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hype. Be blessed.